Hi, this is Cameron from Titan Straps, and this is our latest product, the Speed Cam. And I'll show you, going around this garden hose, how it works. You just go around whatever you want to secure. The plate goes through the buckle, it nests in this little spot, and you tighten. If I want to release this, I just put my thumb on this lever. All I need is a couple inches of slack, and I can grab my strap back. And that is the Speed Cam. Super fast, simple, and secure. And the Speed Cam is also great for securing items like ladders, 2x4s, and other items to a lumber rack. You want to make sure that the logo is facing outward on the webbing. You take the loose end with the plate on it, and you grab the plate and you slide it through the slot in the buckle, and then you simply just cinch down on the cam strap to tighten the load. The new Speed Cam has a quick release plate on the back of the buckle. You just orient it vertically to slide through a slot, and I can grab my strap back. And here I'm securing a KTM 1190. It's a heavy bike, and I'm using 4 8-foot Speed Cams to secure this bike in the back of an F-150. They have a peak tensile strength of 1,400 pounds, so they're plenty strong to secure any load. The new Speed Cams are ideal for rafting, and we have almost everything secured with the new Speed Cam. The frame to the raft to the trailer, and the oars to the frame. And we're also using the Speed Cams to secure dry bags to the frame. And here we're using a couple Speed Cams to secure a cooler in the back of the raft for going through rapids. And yet with the quick release system, it's very easy to access throughout the day. Another great use for the Speed Cam is securing a trail cam to a tree, and it's a great thing to have in your hunting kit. And that's the new patented Speed Cam from Titan Straps.